The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Vision 2030, 1 million global leaders. And our guest speaker today is Professor M.S. Rao. He is the founder of MSR Leadership Consultants India. Professor M.S. Rao is the father of soft leadership. He is an international leadership guru, an internationally acclaimed leadership educator, executive coach, speaker, and consultant. He has 33 years of experience and the author of 30 books, including the award-winning 21 Success Sutras for Leaders that has been selected as the top 10 leadership Books of the Year 2013 by San Diego University, America. His award-winning book, Success Tools for CEO Coaches, Be a Learner, Leader and Ladder, is a Community Award winner for 2014 by Small Business Trends, America, thus becoming the first Indian to win this prestigious international award through voting, where he received the record-breaking votes of 3,740. He has trained over 20,000 people so far. His vision is to build 1 million students as global leaders by 2030. He has been listed as one of the leading achievers around the world in Marcus Who's Who in the World in 2013. He serves as an advisor and judge for several prestigious international organizations, including Global Leadership Awards Malaysia. He is the first Indian to receive prestigious international award, International Coach of the Year 2013 from Comprehensive Coaching U Inc. America. He is the first Indian to share his leadership wisdom in a podcast interview with prestigious Dose of Leadership podcast, which is one of the top leadership podcasts in iTunes. He coined an innovative teaching tool, Meka's Method, leadership training tool, 11E Leadership Grid, and new leadership learning tool, Soft Leadership Grid. Based on his new leadership style, Soft Leadership, copyrighted with Jose Bass, America. It is drawing international attention. It can be applied for organizations to improve their bottom lines and countries to achieve peace and prosperity. His award-winning research paper, Soft Leadership, A New Direction to Leadership, is amongst the most frequently downloaded in industrial and commercial training, Emerald, UK. He successfully led a webinar on soft leadership organized by International Leadership Association, America. He has been honored with photos on the cover page of prestigious international magazine, The Leadership International, Malaysia, October 2012 issue, and on the cover page of prestigious international magazine, African Leadership Magazine, September 2013 issue. So, now without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Professor Rao.
Thanks for your gracious introduction, Aradhana. Hello, good afternoon and a warm welcome to everyone. Let me take this opportunity to thank TechGig.com for providing this wonderful platform to share my knowledge and experience on executive coaching, education and leadership. I am so honored to be with you today. I thank you for taking time off from your busy schedules to participate in this webinar. I would like to share with you about my upcoming authored book, Stand Out as a Global Leader, Strive for Global Peace and Prosperity to Make a Difference. In this book, I have highlighted my vision to build 1 million students as global leaders by 2030. I got this trigger to create a vision to build 1 million students as global leaders because right from the childhood, I have a heart to do something for the society and make a difference in the lives of others. I served Indian Air Force as a soldier for some years. Then again, I thought of serving students as a professor. So I took up the noble profession of teaching. So in this profession, what I thought after interacting with various students, I came to know that there is a need for developing leadership skills among Indian students. So I framed my own vision to build 1 million students as global leaders. I wrote this book with an intention to create a global citizens and global leaders to achieve global peace and prosperity also. A strong global leadership pipeline is required in the current global context. The prestigious international publication UN Post featured my interview, in which I shared my passion and vision to build 1 million people as global leaders. It received overwhelming response internationally. I decided to explore it further to provide clarity as to how to accomplish my vision. I wrote another article with the breakup of my blueprint on my passion, vision, execution and transformation. And the UN Post appreciated and published it. I shared my lifetime goal to build 1 million students as global leaders with the students and participants regularly during my teaching and training programs. I also share it in my articles, blogs, books and social media. I am very much passionate about this prestigious non-profit project. I have already trained 20,000 students so far, and I conduct classes, seminars, workshops and leadership training programs for students and corporate. Whenever the educational institutions request me to provide training programs, I honor their request and visit with excitement to share my passion, vision and knowledge. Apart from my active involvement in grooming 1 million students directly, I am currently building a core team of 50 diehard followers through 5-bucket approach who will assist me to accomplish my goal. Here is a breakup of my blueprint on my passion, vision, execution and transformation. I am passionate about Indian students. Hence, I have chosen the noble profession of teaching to make a difference in their lives. My areas of interest include learning, leadership, executive education and executive coaching. Therefore, I connected my passionate area of leadership with Indian students to groom them as global leaders. My vision is to build 1 million students as global leaders. I am the follower of Mahatma Gandhi and Swami Vivekananda. I have been inspired by Mahatma Gandhi's principles of truth and non-violence, also by Swami Vivekananda, who put India on the global map in Chicago Conference with an emphasis on universal brotherhood and fraternity. He led from the front with his simplicity and humility. Under the influence of their ideals and ideas, I lead the movement to shape 1 million students as global leaders. Here is how I am going to execute it. If you want to change the society, you need citizens who are highly committed and dedicated. Hence, I am looking for students with a positive, right and strong attitude to carry forward my passion and vision to build a better society to achieve the ultimate objective of global peace and prosperity.